I'm going to wake Lola Loud up with an Airhorn. Ha 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 ha. Alright, it's showtime.
Don't worry, Lola Loud, Mommy's coming for you.
Okay, thank goodness you're here. Classic Lincoln Loud woke me up with an air horn.
What? Classic Lincoln Loud, did you seriously wake Lola Loud up with an air horn?
Yes, I did.
Drop that air horn right now. Oh. Oh my freaking God! Classic Lincoln Loud, how dare you wake your sister up with an air horn? That's it, you are so grounded for 300 millenniums. Go to your room right now. Don't worry, Lola Loud, your mean and nasty brother is back in his room and he'll never hurt you again.
Thank you, Mom, you're the best.
Anything I can do for you?
I have my life so much, well, at least I'm not a floating head.